Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1, applications of matrices and determinants. We are going to see example 1.21. Find the inverse of the non-singular matrix A of order 3 by Gauss-Jordan method. What is our Gauss-Jordan method? We are going to take the augmented matrix with the given matrix. Here it is 3, so I3, and then we are going to change this A into I3, and automatically this I3 will change into A inverse. Okay, so what is our I3? 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, isn't it? So here this is going to be our step 1, step 2 and step 3. Here in step 1, first you will bring this 1 and then go to change it to zeros. In the second step, the middle term 1 you have to derive, and then only you have to change the other elements into 0. Similarly, in the third step, you are going to first bring out this 1 and then change the remaining elements into 0. Okay, as you have seen in example 1.19. Now we will write the augmented matrix here. 2 1 1 3 2 1 2 1 2, and here 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 is our identity matrix. Drop the line in between to show it is augmented matrix. Now our first step is to bring this 2 into 1, so you are going to change this R1, so R2 minus R1. Okay, is our first step. What is our R2? 3 2 1 0 1 0, and our R1 2 1 1 1 and 0 0. Subtracting, change the sign throughout. You will get it as 1 1. This will get cancelled. 0 minus 1 1 and 0. This is going to be our R1. Okay, so our equivalent matrix is going to be R1 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0. Second row remains the same, and third row also remains the same. Okay, so this is the equivalent matrix. Now next you are going to go to change this 3 and 2 into 0. So you are going to give two elementary operations here. So in R2 it is going to be R2 minus 3 R1. So what is our R2? 3 2 1 0 1 0, and here 3 R1 is going to be 3 3 0 minus 3 3 and 0. So now changing the sign, because we have to subtract, so this is going to get cancelled. 0 and 2 minus 3 is minus 1 1 3 minus 2 and 0. This is going to be our R2. Similarly, R3 you are going to change it as R3 minus 2 R1. Okay, what is our R3? 2 1 2 0 0 and 1. 2 R1 is going to be 2 2 0 minus 2 2 and 0, and you are going to subtract, so change your sign. So this will get cancelled. 0 minus 1 2 2 minus 2 and 1. This is going to be our R3. Now we can write our equivalent matrix. Our first row remains the same, 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0, and here 3 2, sorry, it is not going to be 3 2 1, isn't it? We have changed it. So our new R2 is going to be 0 minus 1 1 3 minus 2 and 0. Similarly, our new R3 is going to be 0 minus 1 2 2 minus 2 and 1. So this is our equivalent matrix after we have changed the elementary with the elementary transformation. Okay, now after this, here the row 1 is over. Okay, or column 1 is over. Sorry, column 1 is we have got 1 0 0. Now we have to concentrate on our column 2, and here in the middle term it should be plus 1, but it's minus 1. So here you are going to do R2 into minus 1 throughout. So your equivalent matrix is going to be first row, and our second and third row is going to be the same, so no changes there. So only here you are going to multiply by minus, so 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 and 0 is going to be your augmented matrix. Okay, equivalent matrix here. Okay, then now coming, what we have to do is in row 1 this has to be changed to 0, and similarly in row 3 this has to be changed. So first we will concentrate on row 1. So row 1 you are going to do it as row 1 plus row 3. Okay, what is our row 1? 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0. And what is our row 3? 0 minus 1 2 2 minus 2 and 1. So directly adding you will get your new row 1. What is that? This is going to be 1 and this will get cancelled 0, 2, this is 1, this is minus 1 and this is 1. Okay, so your row 1, now you can write it as equivalent 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1 and 1, and row 2 and row 3 remains the same. So 0, 1, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 0. Similarly, row 3, 0, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 2 and 1, and put your line in between. Now, you are going to change. Here also you have to bring the 0. Okay, so R3. So now concentrate on R3. R3 is nothing but R3 plus R2 will give you the 0 there. So what is our R3? 0, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 2, 1. R2 0 1 minus 1 minus 3 2 0. So you are going to add, so no need to change the sign. 0 0 1, here it is minus 1, here again 0, and here it is 1. So our new, this is our new R3. So rewriting the matrix, equivalent matrix, 1 0 2 1 minus 1 1. R2 remains the same, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 0, and our new R3, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, this is going to be our augmented matrix. Now the second column is also over. Now we are going to come to the third column. Third column, the last element is 1, so no need to change it. So what we are going to do is, we are going to bring 0 here and here. Okay, so first we will do with our row 2. So row 2 gives row 2 plus row 3. Okay, so what is our row 2? 0, 1, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 1, 0. What is our row 3? 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. You are going to just add. So it is 0, 1, this gets cancelled 0, this is minus 4, and this is 2, and this is 1. Okay, this is going to be our new R2. So you can write the equivalent matrix 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, and R2 is 0, 1, 0, minus 4, 2, 1, and our R3 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now you can come to our R1, this 2, you have to make it 0. So your R1 is going to be R1 minus 2 R3. Okay, what is our R1? 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, and 2 R3, 0, 0, 2, minus 2, 0, 2. Now subtracting, changing the sign throughout. So this is going to be 1, 0, this is going to be again 0, this is going to be 3, and this is going to be minus 1, and this is going to be minus 1. This is our R1. Okay. So now our equivalent matrix, 1, 0, 0, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Second one, minus 4, 2, 1. Third one, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. So now you have come to the end. This is our I3, and therefore this is our A inverse. Therefore A inverse equal to 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 2 1 minus 1 0 1. This is our answer. So we have got our A inverse using our Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, thank you.